Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. As you all know, I've been quite bullish on Palantir. Okay, so I was holding a few positions, had a nice run up, and I set some stop limits, and I ended up getting stopped out of a couple positions, which was pretty good because the stock eventually came back down a little bit, right? So then I took advantage of this, and I purchased some call options actually, and my call options have perform quite nicely. All right. And so I end up selling those positions and I jumped back into a few call options on Friday. And I jumped into a call option yesterday. So, and they've been performing quite nicely. Okay. And, and we have some great news that came out yesterday. So, we should see continued uptrend. All right. We should see a continued uptrend. What did I do here? All right, Palantir closes up 21% on report of $44 million FDA contract. All right, shares of Palantir jumped Monday after Bloomberg reported that the company won a 3-year contract with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The deal is worth $44 million and will focus on powering drug reviews and inspections according to the report. Government work makes up more than half of Palantir's revenue, bringing in $163 million in the latest quarter. All right, this is basically getting the same thing here. All right, so this is okay. Let me see here. The company said in November recent contracts it received during the third quarter included a $91 million deal with the U.S. Army, a $36 million contract with the National Institutes of Health, $36 million, and a $300 million renewal with an aerospace company. All right, so Palantir stock has surged nearly 200% since it went public September 30th. Hey, the company has great potential, and again, as we know that government money is guaranteed money. All right, government money is guaranteed money. All right. But their ultimate goal is to also expand out into the private sector. So again, why are they locking up these government contracts? Quite sure they want to get more government contracts, but they really want to venture out into more of the private sector as well. Okay. All right. Now let's take a look at the stock here. Now, as we can see, it's been a nice little roller coaster here. So we had a huge run up to let me see, a high of 33.50. All right, and I think I end up getting stopped out of somewhere around here, and so the price dropped back a little bit. All right, came back to 21.83. All right, and so I ended up buying back in, and had some good call options do quite nicely for me. So, and I'm in a couple of call options now also, but for the most part, we have a nice upward trend. All right, we have a nice upward trend, and as you can see, stocks don't get too far away from the 20-day moving average. All right, so we had a nice run up, snap back to the 20-day moving average. All right, we had a fall below the 20-day moving average, come back up to the 20-day moving average. All right, so now what's happening? So we have a nice run up, and we are currently moving far away from the 20-day moving average, but we did that here, and it was a huge uptrend. So just be wary that after the run-ups we may have some sideways trading, or we may have a slight pullback to the 20-day moving average. All right, but again, as of right now, pre-market, the stock is up $1.20. And I hopefully think, I really think that this stock may potentially surpass the $33 mark, and we'll see. So it hit a high of $33 back on November 27th, and so again, I really believe that with the momentum and the good news, the stock will continue to trend upward. Okay, before before some sideways trading or coming back down to the 20-day moving average. All right, that's what I believe, but again, there's no guarantees. I could be totally wrong, but I really believe that the stock is going to trend up for a minute. All right. Now, that's all I have. If this is your first time checking me out, go back, take a look at some of my previous videos, especially my candlestick trading course, because it gives you a lot of insight on, candlesticks and candlestick development. All right. Again, thanks for checking me out. If you're first time to the channel, hit the like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.